In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add categories in Jira step by step. This is a simple but very useful feature, especially if you manage multiple projects and want to keep everything organized and easy to find. Project categories in Jira help you group related projects together, improve reporting, and make navigation much cleaner for your team. If you're new to Jira or just haven't explored categories yet, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Jira and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Jira. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has admin or project management permissions, because adding and managing categories requires the right access. Once Jira loads, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see your recent projects and activity. Next, look at the navigation and click on My Team. This will take you to the area where your team projects are listed. From here, locate the specific project where you want to manage or assign a category. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the three dots menu. This menu contains additional options and settings for your project that aren't shown by default. From the drop-down, click on Space Settings or Project Settings, depending on your Jira layout. This will open the settings page where you can configure different aspects of the project. Inside the settings page, scroll until you find the option labeled Category. Click on Category to view the current category assigned to the project, if there is one. Now click on Manage Categories. This will open the Project Categories Management screen, where you can see all existing categories across your Jira instance. On this screen, you'll see fields to create a new category. Enter a clear and meaningful name for your category. This could be something like Development, Marketing, Internal Projects, or Client Work. Below the name, add a short description, so anyone else managing projects understands what this category is used for. After entering the name and description, click on Add. Once you do this, your new category will be created and available to assign to projects immediately. That's it. You've successfully added a category in Jira. You can now assign this category to projects to keep everything organized and make project management much easier, especially as your Jira workspace grows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Jira tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.